everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to do a product review. I'm so excited. Creality sent me a good laser engraving, guys. I'm so excited. It's a Falcon 2. And guys, if you don't know what is a Falcon 2, it's a laser printer, laser engraving that you can do all the fun stuff. My son love it. And guys, I'm somebody that loves to do personalize my stuff and creating things and creating good memories with my families. It's a good to have if you are someone like me that love to create your personal things. And guys, I'm going to do the product review and show you how it is. Without further ado guys, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. As I mentioned before guys, this laser cutter laser engraving is very powerful. Guys, as you can see, it can do a lot of fun stuff. And that's the unboxing. If you order yours, inside the box, that's everything you're going to see inside it. I have a manual instruction. So to walk you through everything, how to set it up and how to create some good things. And hassle-free assembly, only 3 steps for beginners, 5 safety protection for a safer and more secure experience. And guys, more colorful engraving product, hundreds of colors that bring your world to life. Extensive compatibility, compatible with various systems and software, including Windows, Mac system and software, adds triple monetary system to ensure flame detection, property security, and everything. Guys, if you're on the market for a good laser engraving, this one may be a good option for you. The laser engraving comes with a combo. It has the honeycomb bench, rotary roller, and protective cover. And other materials that I'm using in this video can be purchased separately, guys. Okay, guys, let's go set this laser engraving up. My son started with the honeycomb workbench. As you can see, guys, hassle-free assembly, only 3 steps. Anybody can do it. As you can see, my son is just an 11. He's the one that set it up for me. Guys, it's a must-have if you're looking for something very simple and easy to use. You can create projects online, offline, anytime, anywhere, guys, with the ATF card. For those of you that have kids, one of the things that I really love about it, you need a key to turn it on. That's so smart. So if I'm not home, I can be at peace, no kid going to go and play in my stuff. I really like this part because you can securely remove the key and put the key to turn it on and turn it off. Very, very, very good, guys. And it has the stop button. If anything ever happens, we can stop it immediately and everything will stop. That doesn't mean things going to happen, but it's good to have once you have emergency button for everything. As you can see, guys, my son is turning on and everything worked perfectly. Like I said before, guys, this is a laser cutter combo. It comes with a honeycomb bench, rotary rollers, and protective cover, which is very good to have, guys. The link will be in the description box down below if you are looking for something like this. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I will take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching.
Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side.
Once everything is set up, guys, that's the way it's gonna be with the cover. You don't have to remove it. It has a zipper that allow you to open it to see how your work is doing. As I mentioned before, there's so many cool accessories you can find on the website to create some very nice project. Okay guys, let's start making some fun stuff and keep on watching. Before you can create any project, you have to go online and download the app. And guys, to create the project that you prefer, my son loved this picture so much, so he said he's gonna create something very nice for me. As you can see how he's creating the project and transfer it to the Falcon too, so you can point it out. And guys, this is the safety glasses that you must wear when you're doing the laser cutting or laser engraving to protect your eyes. And we got some wood. All of the product that I'm using, you can find them in the website, guys. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below. If you want a laser engraving, the machine is showing where the project going to print on the board, so you can adjust it if you want. So it's okay, you just press print and then everything going to set up. As you can see, my son doesn't like where the machine shows gonna print, so it just adjusted how he likes it. So it is very nice to have, very fun to work with. So guys, make sure to check the box down below. And guys, the project didn't take that long to make. It's so fascinated how fast you can work with this laser cutter. And guys, for the video, I didn't put the cover, but whenever I'm doing my laser engraving, laser cutting, I always put the cover to protect everything, guys. So this is the emergency button, so in case of any fire, that doesn't mean fire going to happen, but it's good whenever the project is overheated, you just hit the power button and you're good to go. I was able to make super fun stuff. Thanks guys. Make sure to come back on my next video to see everything. There is so many cool project, guys, you can do with this machine, and you can bring back other old thing you have to life, and you can create so amazing project with this machine, guys. And as you can see what my son was able to make for me, I'm so excited and I'm so happy. It's so nice. He said mom of the year, and those are my old cutting board he brought back to life. Throughout my kitchen, everything are personalized, like Mercy's kitchen and snack on. For coffee, I have everything, guys. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.